Hello viewers, today I was telling about how to stop your Instagram account from getting hacked. For that we need to go to Instagram account, and here we need to click on your profile and go to I was choosing another account. Wait for a second. Here we go to profile, click on three horizontal lines, go to settings and privacy. So here we need to go to account center and click on uh, password and security. Here it will ask two factor verification. I was choosing an account, click on that. So again we need to click on next option, then to click next. It will ask a code, you need to enter that. So after entering, it was entered a code. I was copying that, I was pasting here. So here we need to click on next option, on next. So it will ask the mail. I was typing my mail. Need to click on next option. So again it will send a code that I was pasting the code. We need to click on done. So it was awesome. After that your account will be to verification, so your account will be secured. Thank you.